Hey everyone, Patrick Spielman here, founder of Uptics. And in this video, I want to show you an exciting new update as part of the Uptics 2.0 launch, a new update for building and creating sequences. We made it much easier. Previously, we didn't have a step-by-step process. We didn't have all the pre-built templates and sequences and stuff like that. So really exciting update here that I want to go through. So let's get to it. All right, so there's a couple different ways that you can actually create a sequence now in Uptics. There's several really. In the quick access bar, you can go and add a sequence here. Also from the outbound page, you can add a sequence from that page. And actually at an individual contact record level, you can easily add a sequence right from a contact page. So a lot of different ways to do it. So let me show you the new process. So before we didn't have a step-by-step process, and there's settings, and you got to enroll people into contacts and all that kind of stuff. So we've built a step-by-step process where first of all you start with picking a sequence. So you can either create a new sequence or you can pick from one of the 8 pre-built sequences that we have. So we've got a lot of different sequences. I have a process called a reverse sales funnel. So I have that those sequences in here where you focus on your customers first, and then you work down to cold leads. I'm not going to go through all those in this video. I'll reserve that for later. So let me just take you through the process here. I'm just going to start with creating a new sequence. So you just click create a new sequence. You're going to be taken to the sequence builder experience. On the left-hand panel, you can select which channel that you want, email, SMS. You've got tasks, and of course you can build in delays. So let's just say I want a new email. You just grab that and you just drag and drop it into the area here, and so on and so forth. You can save all your folders, all your templates, all that kind of stuff. You can search for them. If I want to search for my cold emails and stuff like that, you can do that. You can embed SMS. So the sequence platform not only does email, it also does SMS. You can schedule manual tasks. So if you're doing, an outbound prospecting process and you want to go qualify leads and look at somebody's website or look at their LinkedIn page before you start automating the process, which I highly suggest you do, you can do that right here. And of course, you got the delays and all that kind of stuff. From a management perspective, if you're doing things, you can always edit templates and do all that kind of stuff within the screen. Right in the screen, you can send test emails right from here. So all in one experience, you can pick up a sequence and build it. From there, you're going to put your settings in, what days of the week you want it to be sent, what times of the day, maximum limits on who gets enrolled, how many a day, how many emails get sent today, what some of your unenrollment parameters are, who it's going to come from, contact owners, stuff like that. And then from there, you're going to pick who gets enrolled into the sequence. So there's a few different ways on this screen. You've got auto enrollment, and really the power behind Uptics is the automation portion. So if you have pre-built lead lists, you can essentially tag those. So I use a system called Apollo to get colder leads. So when I'm doing cold outreach, I use the Apollo platform to grab those, and then I put them into the Uptics platform. So let's just say once they're in the Uptics platform, I've got a lead list for them. They can automatically get started in whatever process that I want built. You can also set the same for unenrollment. Otherwise, you can pick people manually. So we have our whole filtering experience built within the sequence. So if you want to filter, for a particular lead status, for instance, you can pull all your lead statuses and save it, and that's going to refresh your list. You can select which leads you want to be added, and you add them, and you're going to see the total update at the top. So super easy, really robust to get your lead list. A lot of different ways in there, but it's all part of the sequence process, so you can get things launched really fast. From there, it's just going to show you a breakdown. I didn't name it, so the name's not showing up here. And this would show me a summary of all the steps that I have, all my settings, my contacts, and then you hit launch, and boom, it's going to start working for you. So that's the new sequence experience. We're really excited to launch this and announce this today. This took a lot of development work and stuff behind the scenes that I'm sure you guys don't care about. You just care about it working. But very, very robust, easy way to get your sequence and your campaigns and stuff like that launched within the platform. So that's one of the newest updates, in addition to some of my other videos, of course, that I'm doing, announcing some of these new features. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have. And of course, if you want to start winning your customers faster, I'd love if you'd sign up for a trial of Uptics. Check us out and give us a shot and let us help you grow your business. All right. Hope you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.